One of the most popular sections of a website is a slider. Today, let me introduce you to a nice slider plugin. It supports the Elementor page builder and allows you to add custom CSS as well. Let's get started. Go to the plugin menu and search for slider. Install and activate Smart Slider 3. Go to the dashboard after activation. This plugin provides a video on basic usage. Press Add a New Project button. If you want to make from scratch, then select Create a New Project. Otherwise, select Start with a Template. I recommend if you are not a designer, choose Start with a Template. We can select one from the templates with free ribbon, without paying. When we mouse over a template, an import button appears. Press the button. A pop-up appears asking you to sign up as a member. Don't worry, it will be imported whether you sign up or not. Close the pop-up window. It shows 3 different ways to render in our website. The first way is shortcode. The second way is to use the page builder, which I will show you with the Elementor. The third way is to add the code directly to the PHP file. This is for PHP developers. Go to the Page menu. Move to Edit Page to show a slider or add new. Click Edit with Elementor button. Click the plus button to add a section. Drag and drop Smart Slider from the left. Select the slider we imported. Let's check it on the front end. What a beautiful slider! From now on, we only need to change the text and images. This slider has 3 slides. For changing the order, simply drag and drop to change the order. If you want to add a new slide, you can duplicate one of the existing slides. Click the top right menu and choose Duplicate. Click the Edit button. On the Slide Content tab, we can modify some options, such as images, title, links, etc. Let me change the image. As you can see, the new image and slider background don't match at all. When changing the image, please be careful not to be unbalanced like this. But I keep this image for demonstration. Resize text area with drag. And as you can see, you can easily adjust the size of each elements of the slide by dragging. Go to the Style tab. Hovering over the monitor icon at the top. There are 3 icons. We can set a design for each of them. A mobile phone, tablet and PC. This feature makes responsive work very easily. Click the mobile phone icon, go to Hide on section, press Mobile Phone. As you can see, the image disappears from the left preview. Then, we can hide the slide image on the mobile screen. In this way, we can modify how it will be displayed for each devices. It's a very significant feature. Likewise, we can show or hide text element. and adjust font size, margins and outline padding. Let's add a link in an object. Enter the page permalink in the link edit box. As you can see, enter the permalink without a site domain name. Let me link to the store page. In this way, you can link a slide to the store or each product page. To move the button position, drag the margin as you can see. Let me add a new button on the image. Click the menu above the button, select Duplicate. Move the copied button over the image. Then it will be added below the image. To move the button over the image, we need to make some negative margin, dragging the margin area. Change the button text and link. Let me change the slider general option. Press Site tab. We can change the size of the slider in pixels. The layout can be set to full width or boxed. It can be changed according to the design of a page. Let me show you the box design layout. In the Control tab, we can change the type of previous and next arrow button. We can change which animation to show when slides are switched. Let me change the option to vertical. The transition animation has been changed to go up. Autoplay allows you to set whether the slide transits automatically. Turn on Make the slide transit automatically. Default delay time is 8000. It will transit once every 8 seconds. Let me change it to 1000, then it will transit every second. To create from scratch without using a template, select Create a new project. After setting the width and height, click the Create button. Click Add Slide and select an image to add. Let me add 3 images. Let me edit the first slide. We can add a title by clicking the H icon. Add a description as well. Add an image by clicking the Image button. Adjust the size and position. Let me add a button. Let's check it on the front end. As you can see, I made a slider simply and quickly. But I recommend that you use a template to create a new slider. Overall, it is a well-made and powerful slider plugin.